Good morning, everyone, and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Friday, August 25th, 2023. We're just letting the Crawford, Erie, and the Ohio residents know that the severe thunderstorm watch for Erie, Crawford, and 3 sets of Ohio counties has been canceled early today. So that's good news to report. Um, but the thunderstorms was still going on just before daylight today. So and then they so again the severe thunderstorm watches for Erie, Crawford, and Ohio counties has been canceled today. So that's good news to report. So we're gonna remind everyone again, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Same thing with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel. We got 39 subscribers on there, and we have almost 600 video, or I should say just over 500 videos on there as well. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Also subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We have 169 subscribers on there, and we got almost 2,900 videos to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. They just canceled that severe thunderstorm watch right around between 2 and 3 o'clock this morning, along with that severe thunderstorm warning. And then they canceled the severe thunderstorm warning for Erie and Crawford counties also, and also for 3 sets of Ohio counties was canceled too. So that was also too good news to report, because it was supposed to be a severe thunderstorm warning was in effect for Erie, Crawford, and 3 sets of Ohio counties until 2 o'clock this morning, and then they canceled the severe thunderstorm warning for Erie counties as well that same time as well. And then after that, the severe thunderstorm watch was supposed to be in effect for Erie, Crawford, Mercer, Venango, and 3 and 5 sets of Ohio counties until 3 o'clock in the morning. But the good news is they were all canceled this morning. So that's some good news here to report right now. That's very, very good. Oh. I'm gonna go ahead before we end today, and we'll take a look at the forecast for today and tonight, and then we gotta get off here for today. Here's the forecast for today. Generally cloudy, a stray shower or thunderstorms possible. High 77. Tonight, partly cloudy early, then cloudy late. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible. Low 64. for Meadville today. It was supposed to call for a leftover shower or thunderstorm today. Instead, it's just going to be a 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm today. Otherwise, it's going to be cloudy skies today. So, and that's what's going to be. That's what it is today in Meadville. High 76, and tonight mostly cloudy. Both have stray showers or thunderstorms as possible. High 76 and a low of 64. For Northeast today, they're saying cloudy skies today and tonight. They both have a stray shower or thunderstorm as possible. High 74 and a low of 65, isn't it? Yeah. And finally for Erie, today and tonight, they both say mostly cloudy, high 74 and a low of 66. They both have stray showers or thunderstorms as possible. They also did call for a flood watch towards Pittsburgh there today, right after all the thunderstorms they had last night too. In addition to the severe thunderstorm warning they had in there too. So there's the Greenville forecast for today. They're saying cloudy skies today, high 78, and tonight mostly cloudy, and they both have stray showers or thunderstorms as possible. Low 63, and that's it. Yeah, the National Weather Service had to cancel not only the severe thunderstorm, the second of the two severe thunderstorm warnings, and they also canceled that severe thunderstorm watch was there as well. So alright, we're gonna see if Abby's gonna show up today for the train for Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube for today. We've been on for we're going on to 8 minutes right now. So this is probably going to be it. My only video we're doing today here on right now. So this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey's regular channel page, we're just letting the Crawford, Erie, and the Ohio residents know that the severe thunderstorm watch for Erie, Crawford, and 3 sets of Ohio counties has been canceled this morning, so that's good news to report. And they also canceled that severe thunderstorm warning and as well for Erie, Crawford, and 3 sets of Ohio and 3 Ohio counties and there as well also been canceled right now. So we're gonna remind everyone one more time, if you haven't already, sort of subscribe to both of my YouTube channels on YouTube, Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube as well. So everybody else have a good day, and we'll be back on in a short while on the Train Expert channel. So if Abby shows up for more videos and potential for some live streams. Talk to you then. Did the National Weather Service decide to cancel that watch? Yep. They canceled it earlier this morning, so. Alright, that's gonna be it for today for Jeffrey's regular channels. Thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Everybody else have a good day, and we'll be back on in a short while if Abby shows up for the Train Expert channel for more videos and potential for some live streams. Talk to you then.